Let's talk about the notion of plugging into functions. And in order to do that, we're going to need to have a function in front of us. Let's consider the function g of x, which is defined by the formula 2x squared minus x minus 3. So let's take a minute and make sure we're super clear on what we're talking about. Just the letter g is the name of the function. G of x we should think of as an expression with x in it. It's just another way of writing this formula, 2x squared minus x minus 3. Now we're going to introduce a new way of using this function notation. We can write, for example, g of 3. What does this represent? G of 3 represents the number we get by evaluating 2x squared minus x minus 3, that is this formula that defines g, when x equals 3. Where did I get 3? It's this 3. So if I want to take g of 3, I write parentheses wherever I see an x in this expression for g, and then this thing in the parentheses, 3 in this case, I write into the parentheses. And now I do this arithmetic. Right? Exponents first, I'll have 2 times 9 minus 3 minus 3. Now multiplication, 18 minus 3 minus 3. And now subtraction from left to right. 15 minus 3, 12. So I find that g of 3 equals 12. Again, g of 3, this is a number. Right? It's a single fixed number. It doesn't depend on variables. When I plug a number into a function, I get a number out. I could do this with any number. Whatever number I put in the parentheses, I will take 2 times that number squared minus that number minus 3. So I could plug in -1. I'm not going to do this by hand. I'll have 2 times -1 squared minus -1 minus 3. I get 0. I could plug in, say, 1/2. That's no problem. I hope no one minds me putting 1/2 into the calculator as 0.5. 2 times 0.5 squared minus 0.5 minus 3. I get -3. I could even do pi if I felt like it. I would get 2 times pi squared minus pi minus 3. This is going to be some horrible decimal. This is about 13.598. Seems a reasonable place to round to. Any number I like, I can plug it in here just by writing it wherever x turns up in my definition of g. I'm going to have you try one of these. Let h of x be 3/2 x minus 4. Evaluate h of 2, h of -8, and h of 5/3. Pause the video and try these now. Alright, h of 2, that's going to be 3/2. Here's an x, so I write 2 minus 4. Oh, that's going to be 3 minus 4 is -1. H of -8, that's going to be 3/2 -8 minus 4. So 3/2 -8 minus 4. Negative 16. H of 5/3. Well, that'll be 3/2 of 5/3 minus 4. I'll get negative 1 1/2. And that's all there is to it.